Hello, my name is Miwako. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make no-oil vegan ramen noodle soup with soy sauce. I have made a video how to make noodles from scratch, so if you haven't watched yet, please do. I will leave the link in the description box below. When I filmed how to make noodles, I froze the uncooked portion of noodles, which I used today in this video. The recipe is in the description box below, so let's get started. Chop up carrots, celery, onions, and any other vegetables of your choice to about ½ inch. I smashed garlic and ginger so that I get all the flavors they have. Soak dried shiitake mushrooms in water for 30 minutes, then squeeze them. Be sure to save the water, which has amazing umami from mushroom. Remove stems and slice caps. In this recipe, I mainly used onion, carrot, celery, potato, shiitake mushrooms, and kombu seaweed. However, feel free to be creative. For example, the toppings for the ramen I made today, I used carrots, scallion, bok choy, and oyster mushrooms. So I trimmed the edge and saved them for the stock. 6 cups of water, including the soaked mushroom water, into a pot. Add kombu seaweed. Fill up the pot with prepared vegetables. Add salt. Turn on the stove and cook over high heat until it starts boiling. Take kombu out and lower the heat to simmer. Kombu gets slippery as it gets cooked. Great opportunity to brush up your chopstick skills. Keep simmering for another 45 minutes with partially covered with a lid. While broth is cooking, let's start making the toppings. Preheat the oven to 400° Fahrenheit. Cut tofu into small pieces, about 3/4 inch. I pressed the tofu in advance to remove excess water, but it is an optional. Place them on a baking pan lined with a parchment paper. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Be sure to toss the tofu halfway through. Take them out from the oven and transfer them into a bowl. Marinate with soy sauce, rice vinegar, chopped scallions, and garlic chili sauce. Now we're going to steam vegetables for 5 minutes. Towards the end of cooking, add vinegar and taste it. You will be surprised how vinegar brings up the flavors. Turn off the heat and remove vegetables from broth. Alright, time to assemble ramen. Garlic chili sauce, soy sauce, vegetable broth. Mix until well combined. Cooked ramen noodles, baked tofu, steamed bok choy, steamed carrot, steamed oyster mushroom, bok choy leaf, chopped scallions, roasted sesame seeds, lime zest. There we go. Now we have no-oil vegan ramen noodle soup with soy sauce. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're going to try this recipe, and please let me know how it came out. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you again, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye!